Hello friends, welcome to Balmitra. Today we are going to see beautiful poem on my school. This poem is very easy and simple, so let's start. My school is like a second home. My school is like a second home, a place where I am never alone, a place where I am never alone. Where teachers guide me with care, where teachers guide me with care, and friends are always there, and friends are always there. From morning till the sun sets, from morning till the sun sets, the school is where my heart rests. The school is where my heart rests. Where books, games and knowledge meet, where books, games and knowledge meet, and memories forever sweet, and memories forever sweet. The corridors echo with laughter and glee. The corridors echo with laughter and glee as students run around carefree, as students run around carefree. The playground is where we play. The playground is where we play and make memories every single day, and make memories every single day. The classrooms are where we learn. The classrooms are where we learn, and knowledge is our only concern. And knowledge is our only concern. With pencils, pens, and books in hand, with pencils, pens, and books in hand, we strive to understand. We strive to understand. My school is where I grew. My school is where I grew and learned everything I knew. And learned everything I knew. It's a place that will always hold. It's a place that will always hold a special place in my heart of gold. A special place in my heart of gold. Thank you friends for watching this poem. If you like this poem, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so you will get the notification of my new videos. Thank you.